It was just another Monday morning inside G-Day's math notebook. Toby the stickman stretched and yawned. "All right, another day of surviving in Scribble City," he muttered. His world was a mess of half-erased notes, abandoned doodles and angry math problems that nobody solved. But today was different. G-Day the notebook master was running late for school. In his rush, he shoved the notebook into his backpack without closing it properly. And that's when chaos began. Toby suddenly felt the world tilt. The notebook slipped out of the bag mid-run. It flipped open right above a muddy puddle. No, no, no. Splash. Toby barely clung to the corner of the page as the rest of the notebook landed face down in the mud. His world became a swirling nightmare of water and ink. The math problems were dissolving, the doodles were screaming, and worst of all, the giant eraser monster, G-Day's big fat thumb, was about to smudge him into oblivion. Toby had only one option. Across the page, a small Wi-Fi symbol was sketched in the corner. A doodle G-Day had absent-mindedly drawn during class. It was Toby's only chance. He ran. He jumped. He dove straight into the Wi-Fi symbol. Boom. Toby's stick body glitched and transformed. His world went dark, then bright. When he opened his eyes, he was standing in G-Day's phone screen. The notification bar blinked. The TikTok app icon shimmered. Toby grinned. He had escaped the notebook. Now he was in the real world, ready to become a viral animation.